Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to adjust tracking for creative text compositions in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and create a large canvas for a poster layout. First I type a creative phrase using a modern sans serif font. Then I highlight the text and access the character panel to adjust tracking. After that I increase tracking slightly to create an airy and elegant composition. Now I duplicate the text and experiment with tighter tracking for comparison. Next I apply subtle layer styles like inner glow and drop shadow to enhance the text. Then I use smart guides to maintain letter consistency across the design. After this I check alignment with other visual elements for harmony. Now I refine